Hey family, I'm Stephanie Morday. I'm Habassia and also the Creole Grill Test. I'm just wrapping up my day, just updating y'all on some of the stuff we did, the fun stuff, me and Kenyatta Habassia. I'm gonna show y'all a little of the market. It'll be a little video in it because it's too slow to upload here if I give y'all long videos, but I try my best to make it okay by showing y'all photos, okay? My favorite place to shop in all of the Gambia is the Batik factory. I get overstimulated when I'm in Serekunda market. I don't really like it at all. I go in there and get the local fabric and then I'm out of there, y'all. Out of there. I don't like it at all. But Serekunda market, I do. So anyway, enjoy. And remember, peace, peace, and power to the people. And keep watching, y'all, okay? Oh, guys, I forgot to say, I believe unity, part of unity is cooperative economics. Cooperative economics. People have products for sale that we want, so it's at a value to us, and it's good for them to be able to get paid for their art or whatever else we get from them at a fair price. So they can send their own kids to school, y'all. You know? So anyway, enjoy.
From here, and I cover those places. So later, now after dipping it in the color, I want here to be colored. I'm going to apply the wax there and leave other space for other colors. Normally I do that 5 times to get 5 different colors with 5 layers of wax. So finally I can boil extreme hot water, dip everything in the hot water, the wax melt out, color and the design stays like this one you are seeing hanging around. You wash it together with your clothes in the washing machine, 40 degrees, the color stays never come off. Because here most of my colors are natural colors. The red I get it from the out skin of mahogany tree, blue I use indigo to have blue, green I use bougainville flower, brown I use kola nut, and yellow I take the out cover of yellow onions to have yellow. And if you have questions, you are welcome to ask. And photographs, no problem. The Gambian Picasso is a photogenic. Yeah.
Okay. And could you say your name, please?
Yusuf Anjay.
Okay, at the Batik market.
Yeah, but they do call me the Gambian Picasso. That's
Okay.
Batik factory in Serekunda, the Gambia, and the owner of the place is called Musukeba Drami
Okay.
in Serekunda.
And you can straight lift it up so they can see. And see, he just put on
Gambia.
Gambia on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a print.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a Batik
Yeah.
print, wax resist, right? Okay.
And that's the block of the wax
And that's the block
I
of
normally melt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.